walk through this empty place. Japanese garden. And to the end. Right? Done deal? Okay, let's go. Going to our new home. Yay! Nina, go up. Come on, go up. Good girl. Go up. Stop. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Ja, je kleedje. Good girl. This kind of RV is for going places and living outside in beautiful weather. And well, if you're gonna live in it, that's different, because then you have to share this tiny space with each other and a big dog, and then there's not much room to move around in. And now we think there's more to life than just work. And the old house, we sold it for a very good price. And the 1st of May, we are moving in our new RV. We needed a new RV. And now we're saying goodbye to our little Montana. Yep. It's sad to go, but this is the way it is. And then we say goodbye. So, goodbye, Montana. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yeah, we're moving up. And we have a forest almost to ourselves. Nina's barking at people sometimes because she said, "It's my yard. Get off my yard." But It's not your yard. It's just a forest. Okay, that's for today. Let's show you around. Well, this is where we went so far. But hopefully this year the UK will come on the list. Okay, I'll show you where we live now. In this nice cabin. You know, come. Looky, looky. This is a beautiful cabin where we're staying. And we booked it for October till the next of May. Again. Nina, come. Come. Oops. Looky, looky. Okay, and this is the inside of the cabin. Small but convenient. She has her own bench. And a small bedroom, and we love it here. And here you can see the birds and little Montana, which we love. Okay, let's go to the woods. So this is the path. And dogs can off leash, so that's perfect. Come, Nina. And early in the morning you can see deer. And you hear the birds. They're lovely. And they have squirrels here. On that side. It's so pretty here. We had a great storm a few weeks back, so there are a lot of storm damage, trees down. But, they fixed it already. And as you can see, it's gorgeous here. And we got it all to ourselves. No one else around, except in the weekends. And Nina loves it. Yay! 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 Oh, look, little butterfly. First I see this year. Oh, cute. Hi, butterfly. Just hear the birds singing. There's a woodpecker somewhere. I just heard him, but I can't see it. Oh, there it is. There it is, but you probably will not see this because it's a tiny bird. Let's see if I can zoom in. You can't see it. It's too far. And Luke is sitting there waiting for me. Be a good girl as she is. Look at this beautiful tree in the middle of heather and grass. And there's a little water. It's gorgeous. In the early morning there is always a little fog when the night was cold. It makes it really mysterious and enchanting. Looky look, beautiful. Here you can see some storm damage. This large tree over there and this large tree over here capsized. Did not hit the ground. It's leaning on some other trees, but it came out of the ground. Yep. We're back at the road and the campsite. The neighbor's dog. But see, this is our nice cabin. And I love the witch on the wind thingy. Cute. Okay, back home.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be